Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. My name is Sebastián Narváez. Here you can see my ID for the subject of Academic Reading and Writing 2. Today is Friday, January 12, 2024. Today we are going to talk about the use and characteristics of summarizing strategies. We chose three strategies to summarize. First, we're going to talk about the SAC strategy. You can see SAC strategy: state, assign, action, and complete. We talk about the name or the title of the article, the author's name, what the author is doing, and the sentence or summary with keywords and important details. Some characteristics are: facilitates active close reading for meaning, enables metacognitive reflection and monitoring of understanding, fosters critical thinking skills in analysis and critique, promotes interactive reading through annotation, applicable to diverse texts for deeper comprehension, provides a structured framework to decode complex source material. Here we have an example of this SAC strategy. We chose a paragraph, two authors over here. It's about the technology. You can see the way we summarize, you can see the authors at the end, the author's name, what the author is doing, talking about the technology, and of course here at the end you can see the references that we use for this. The next strategy that we used is the 5Ws 1H strategy. Bales mentioned that this strategy focuses on the use of 6 questions that are: who is the story or text about, what did the author do, when did the action take place, where did the story happen, why did the main character do what he or she did, and how did the main character do what he or she did. Some of the characteristics of this method is that it's simple, no need for training, is systematic, ask all the questions one at a time, is versatile, that summarize diverse topics, and comprehensive, obtain a 360 view of the topic. Here you can see the example. We chose a paragraph. We have two references, as you can see at the end, and here we have the summarized paragraph that we use in where we answer all these questions of who, where, what, when, why, and how. This is how you summarize using this strategy. Next, we chose the scope method. As you can see, a scope it means sequence key events in order, characterize the main players, open with an exposition setting, portray the conflict or challenge, and end with the resolution. You can see that in the scope method creates a simplified timeline overview by reducing content down to pivotal plot components. The acronym scaffolds summarization around key literary elements that equip readers to grasp narrative efficiently. It centers around structuring concisive yet vivid snapshots of text focused on progression, characters, and conflict resolution. The scope technique flexibly applies to summarizing stories, new articles, case studies, historical passages, and other genres. Here we have an example. This paragraph that we chose, we have two references about the paragraph. Here we have the original, as in the other examples we have the original paragraph and the summarized paragraph using the scope method. You can see the S, C, O, P, and E of the scope method. You can see all detail in this, everything is detailed in this paragraph, and that's the references, and that's it. Thank you for your attention. That's it. Hope to see you next time. Thank you very much.